This is the A1 Tape's black PVC duct tape. It is a durable, general-purpose duct tape designed for sealing, repair, bundling and securing applications. Each roll measures 48mm wide by 30m long, with a 130 micron thickness. The black finish gives it a clean and discreet appearance, making it suitable for applications where a neater look is preferred. It can be used for temporary repairs, bundling materials, sealing gaps, holding protective coverings in place, cable management and general maintenance tasks. This makes it a practical option for warehouses, workshops, factories, construction sites, transport depots, event setups and maintenance areas. The tape is available in 6-roll packs, 36-roll cartons and a 72-roll bulk buy option for higher volume users. A1 Tape's black PVC duct tape is a versatile, everyday tape for businesses that need a strong, practical solution with a cleaner black finish.